So you're typing into your calculator and, well, you make a mistake. And so, since your mama ain't raised no fool, you're going to do what you've always done. And you're going to spam the C button 6 times or so until you're sure that it's been cleared. But do you really know what the C and the CE buttons do? Is there even a difference? Well, there is. The CE button stands for clear entry, and the C button stands for clear. And if you don't have a C button, then you've probably got an AC button, and that stands for all clear. However, for exploring the purposes of what they do, the all clear and the clear button do the exact same thing. Now what the CE button does is clear the last number you typed, and the all clear button will clear everything back to 0. So let's look at this on the calculator. If I go ahead and I type 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, oh, made a mistake, all I need to do is press the CE button, and if I do that once, it's going to get rid of just the 6. And the 1 plus 2 plus 3 is going to stay. Now I can go ahead and type in 4 as I intended to. Now oftentimes it's better to use CE instead of C because C is just going to clear the entire thing and make you start from scratch. Okay, cool. So now you know the difference, but let's be real, you're still going to hit AC 6 or 7 times just to be sure. And it's okay. I'm judging you, but I get it. Send this to a fellow button masher, and maybe, just maybe, they'll change their ways.